Hi guys, welcome to another video. And sorry that it ended without an outro. It's just it does that. So this is gonna be part 3. So we went to 2 rooms. So we're gonna be checking this.
What the?
The moving elf has moved by itself, guys. What is I swear that this elf actually moved by itself. I so swear. So much.
Whoa.
Oh my god. Okay. Well, we have to take him. Oh, now he's gonna be infected by ghost disease. And trust me, this is gonna be a worse video. If you want to see something real scary, oh wait, oh no, it's already done. It's already done. Yep, that's the scary part. She's about to drown. And then she drowns. So yeah, that was actually a scary part. Okay, so we heard there's like a figure outside, and where's the little thingy? Where's the little thing you said that has dry blood on it?
Oh, here. Yeah.
The
Thing.
If we come back in this house for the blood, oh my god.
What?
Oh my god. Dude, when you were not looking, when the camera wasn't looking, I was actually looking, and then I kind of saw a hand.
Me too. Oh my gosh, I'm so freaked out. Yeah, I'm gonna look at you.
Okay,
Who's gonna look at the curtains?
the camera can't. If you're a little kid, I wouldn't recommend watching this. This has creepypasta,
Hold on.
and if you look at it, wait, hold on. Did I saw the car moving? The car, the black car. I think, was it actually moving? Oh my god, that's so creepy. We'll look in the curtains together.
Okay.
But curtains are not that scary. Oh my gosh.
Should we go to the front yard?
It's a blinking light. Dude, look at this. Look at it. Guys, you see that light right there? Can you see that blink? Wait, I think it's gone. Oh wait, I just saw it again. I just saw it again. Right there. Oh my gosh. What the heck is that?
I see it. It's
What?
white. It's white.
It is like blinking.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. The drum car. Look at the drum car. It's destroyed.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. I wouldn't look at that.
How do you like pails? What is this? Yeah. First person to go in there. In that room right there, in the dark room.
I'm not even going in there.
Then we're both going in there.
Tiptoe. Tiptoe.
Is the door closed on us? Oh my god. I think I heard a squeaking noise.
You look over there, I look over here.
You're not looking there by yourself.
I know, I was just looking just in case there's something. Because, you know, like if there's noise over here, there's someone behind us. I hear that.
Me too. Oh my god, run. Go faster. Where the freak is that sound going? Oh my gosh, I see. Look what I see. Right there. I see 2 eyes. Right there.
Whoa. I think you're just, dragonflies or something.
Look at my camera. It has 1 light, but that has 2 lights. There's a difference.
Yeah.
The camera can't see it, but we could see it. Can you see that? Those white eyes right there? Look right there on my finger. Oh wait, that thing is gone.
No, it's not.
No, I see it. I just saw it. There it is. Guys, right there on my...
I'm gonna go to this wall. I'm gonna hear what's happening.
There, you see it? You see those lights? Right there? Yeah, you see that blinking light? That blinking light right there. You guys cannot see that? Oh my, what? What the freak? Run. Go, come on, come on, go. Go, go, go. This house is so haunted. We're the only ones awake. The others are sleeping. Oh my gosh. Dude, what if we open the door that your mom's sleeping and we see a girl right next to her? Oh my god. That was so creepy.
Yeah, should we go check?
Why am I scratching? Bring your elf. Your elf doesn't want to be hypnotized.
Okay. Well, not even my phone.
For real. My phone is like almost hypnotized.
Yeah, I think so
Oh my gosh.
and 3 we're going into the garage.
I think it's our shoe. I think that squeaky noise was our shoes.
Look.
No, do this. Let's do that. See, it does that. But I don't know if you did that before. No, let's not go in there. Do not go in there.
1, 2, 3.
No. Dude.
It's my grandma.
Dude, I think we lost one of our birds. Look, come over here.
Oh, that was so weird.
Do you have two birds? Oh, there's the other bird.
Okay, hoy alguien pasando por ahí. No, it was my grandma all this time.
What?
Let's go back inside.
What?
But
What was your grandma all the time?
So the thing, she went through there and she was making noise. But the worst thing,
No, I didn't saw her.
the worst thing was the things that we saw back there. The hole that was in there, the piece of woods.
God, this green and white thing is like right here. Look at that. Looks so weird.
Wow.
And of course, it's just my camera, guys. It's just my camera.
I know.
You can barely see that dot right there. Don't put him in the camera. Okay, there's one more room to look at. And we never check it before.
My mom's.
No, we didn't. We already checked there, but there's only one.
Where my mom is, my room.
No, the bathroom. Are you ready?
Oh, I think that's
So let's go. Ready, set,